Hello everybody. I right now am looking at Chloe's face as she sleeps mystically. Get out of here. Stupid damn TDM. Hello. Hello. Bye bye. That was the best thing ever. We saw her wake up. There. She's still alive? Oh my gosh. Okay, that's it. That is it. I'm shoving him in this body. Okay. You just saw me torture Dan today. Now let's play cars and stuff. That, never mind. Okay. Okay. Let's actually play. Never mind. Okay. Yes, Mama. Continuing the video. Let's put up my shirt on, see? We're leaving back to my home.
Rosie, you need to get your jacket on. It's cold, honey.
Candy's playing Cookie Clicker as usual, and Kinley is playing whatever. Right now, she's playing something right now.
I'm so dead.
Let's watch Angry Ninja.
Goodbye, creature.
I want you guys to see.
Kiddos, I love you. Bye. Thanks for having us over.
Guys, I'm just leaving.
And Brent wants to become a LPS YouTuber.
I had to install everything. What are you talking about? What are you talking about?
Your YouTube channel.
I just keep a running tab of just password.
I need to get your LPS. Please. The greatest YouTuber ever.
We're going to stop buying stuff all the time and only on special occasions, right, Bryson? Like Valentine's Day gift. That's what we're going to do. You're not going to get a gift because it's Tuesday.
Trash. The cat. Dun. Everybody. This is the end. Bye bye.